Yesterday we had a really exciting day. If you remember from the crypto scalping video from yesterday, I was up 400% yesterday. If we should probably get the autofocus off. Oops, done. Um, Yesterday we were up a lot. Where is it? 4x in a day. Here it is, 108 views. 400% from 500 bucks. Today's a little insane. I mean, yesterday was a little insane because I'm up 700%, more than 700, because I'm not 3.5k anymore. I'm up a little bit more. I'm risking very little on these trades. Actually, you can see the account margin ratio is there's very low risk. And we've just been streaking very much. I've changed the strategy a little bit. I've got my win and lose ratio, and I'm explaining what I'm doing in a little bit. But before we start, I forgot to say, slap the like button, really helps out. Subscribe. I'm sponsored by MEX Exchange. If you want to buy crypto altcoins with the lowest fees, this is the place you want to be at. You want to be there. And I have my crypto news group. If you want to follow all these trades, I've discounted it to just 49 bucks a month, which I believe is a bargain because I'm doing a lot of these trades. And yeah, it's been working out really well. Yesterday we had 9%, 9 wins, 3 losses. This is insane. I think we'll probably get a losing streak. That's not okay. I have too many indicators though to filter out trades with a screener. So we're probably going to be over 50-50 win-lose, but we risk 1 to 1.5, meaning if I risk $1, I want $1.50. Risking 100 bucks, 150 cents. You can also see that from these trades right now. 350 bucks profit for 228 loss. Here it's 400 bucks profit for 279. I'm trying to risk 500 bucks, which is not a lot for this account, 20%. I'll keep it at 500 bucks risk until 5k, and I'll gradually increase it to 10% risk of my account adjusted. This would probably net me a huge amount of profits that you see with the next videos. I have proof for all the trades. Pretty much what I'm doing is, let me open up trading view. I've got a screener filtering a lot of trades based on a lot of indicators. I don't want to bore you with the details. I try to determine the Bitcoin price. For example, yesterday, first we lost a bunch of money from 2k, I went to 900 bucks because I was shorting. That went poorly, but then we got a big winning streak on the Bitcoin long because I adjust with the trend. This is one of the charts I have. I have a few more that I'm using the chart layouts to determine trades. My favorite one was Ichimoku. I love Ichimoku, post-Vumochu or market cipher, depending on how cheap you are. I'm pretty cheap sometimes for some things. It just works really well. All I use from Vumochu is pretty much, sometimes I can use the money flow index. I don't use it currently because it's too confusing. VWAP can help, especially this triggers like here. I believe I took the trades around here when the VWAP was like this. Bitcoin was in the count. First thing I want to determine is the Bitcoin structure. What is it going? Up, down, circles. It's going up right now. It's more probable that they're going to be going up from here. We can see the breakout above the cloud. Blue line crossed the red line. This is classic Ichimoku. I can make a whole video on it if you're wondering how. With the lagging span, MACD is probably up. This is MACD post-stochastic. And I filter my trades with my screener that has a huge amount of filters. And then I try to find gaps or things that didn't move too much on USDT pairs, on Binance because they have the lowest fees. You can also use MEXC. They'll probably be added to TradingView very soon. I've talked with their team because I'm sponsored by them. They're really cool for altcoins. We can catch big moves on altcoins. For example, this token hasn't had that much movement. It has most of lagging span is above the cloud. It's pretty much a long from here. I just don't want to long more things. I look for a green dot on Vumochu signaling some buying pressure, and we can take the dense trade if we want to. If we really want to, the stop loss would probably be here for 1 to 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, but I want to be more disciplined and not take too many trades. I can pick a lot of trades. I can do 10 trades. Yesterday I did that. That's why we're up so much, but I'm going to de-risk right now because I can still get a very good ROI on my money. And 7x in 48 hours, I think, is impressive. We did get lucky on the winning streak. I switched the strategy. That's why we just have 3 losses. It's with the new strategy. I'm doing 1 to 1.5 strictly risk trading. And I'm up 33.64%. 1.3% up, minus 1.5, minus 0.92. Plus 2.77, minus 4.2%, plus 3.76, plus 2%, plus 6 something, plus 2, plus 6 something, plus 5.9, plus 9.37. I believe that was on Dent or Dusk overnight. So yeah, we are that's 33% without leverage. So even if you didn't use leverage, we're gonna be up a lot. It's pretty insane. So I'm definitely interested to see what the future holds, because this strategy is working out very, very well. I'm very, very impressed with what's going on. I'm using like 4x leverage right now or something, or something. It's very low. Pretty much not using leverage. I can just go and adjust these to not have so much funding rate fees. Let me adjust this real quick. From 20 to, I don't know, 5. I don't need more leverage. Here it is, 5x. Maybe I can use 7 because I like the number 7. That's what I used to do. 7. Lina can be 7 as well. It doesn't matter. We're using very low leverage, that's for sure. And I've got a lot of available margin. A big load of available margin at my disposal, that's for sure. Okay, maybe I won't be so. Maybe I'll just take this trade because I really wanna. The Dent trade, we're taking it. I don't care. Let me show you how we do it live on camera. Gonna place a limit order, so get filled in. Gonna do a very low order, 5 grand. Because we've got a tiny bit of an account, Dent long. Let's figure out the long and short, the stop loss and the take profit levels. It's gonna be something like this. We got filled at 6660. So do that. Settings. Entry 6660. Then the stop loss would probably be here to 559. Would be more logical. We can use this one, to be honest. 2581. We can do that, actually. But I feel that this is a safer one. 2558. 2558. And this has to be at around 154 pips. So the stop loss would be somewhere around here. Take profit for 1.5 would be somewhere around here. Last price, not market price. This is very important. If you don't know, now you know. Don't worry, I've got you. 288. That's plus fees for sure. The fees would be like $5 on Binance Futures. And I will alert this in the chat. Sometimes I write a little bit of a different number so we don't just close at the same time, because bots might not feel us from a wall, especially when we move to the higher amounts. But yeah, it's pretty much it. We just filled in a trade. And yeah, I'm risking about $700 on a 3.7 grand account, which is not $700 risk on the 3.7k account, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Without it's 3.5k without the current profits, which by the way dropped a little bit. Yeah, we're definitely looking good on this trade. If you want to see more, All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. It's not that hard. Just click that. Or follow my trades for $9 a month. See you next video.